welcome to MoobletonTV here, and today we're going to get our Christmas tree out of all the little trees. And that's the size of my dad. See you in a minute.
How's it going? Well, yeah, good. We just come for one of your finest £10 Christmas trees, please.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right. One pound. You got a long walk then.
Yeah, is it? Right at the back, are they?
Right down the bottom there you go.
Oh, that's alright then.
Yeah?
Yeah, we don't mind.
Yeah?
Right, mate. Should we go then? Let's get a tree. Yeah, yeah, we come here every year.
Oh, right.
It's nice to pick them out rather than buying them from Tesco's or something.
Well, that's what most people like.
You cold? I said bring a coat.
I have a jumper.
You donut.
You didn't say bring a coat, you said bring a jumper. I am in a jumper. Geese.
Guard dogs, basically.
I want a geese.
We're not getting a goose. We got chickens.
Yeah, but I still geese. These geese are cool. They're down my Christmas list.
What, a goose?
Geese, yeah. 2 geese.
You're not having a goose for Christmas.
Why not?
No. These Christmas trees, Missy, look, they got a bit big, these ones.
Imagine that. So put that in like a room.
Put that in the lounge.
Yeah. That's how tall you think you are. But virtually you're about this short.
Thanks, man.
You're so welcome. Oh, that one. That one.
What, the little one?
Yeah.
You like that, man? That's a possible, isn't it? For another walk, Macy? A bit too small? Yeah, I misjudged when I bought Christmas lights last year. I just grabbed a box and bought them and got them home, and it was like 45 metres.
No, it did say outdoor and indoor.
Well, it did, that's the bit I saw, but I didn't see how long they were.
Yeah, it
So
was, if it's outdoor.
It went around the Christmas tree about 100 times. You turn it on, I think you could see it from the moon. Our Christmas tree. Nice trip. See, that's very big, that one. That's quite cool. That's a strange shaped one. What do you think, mate?
I like the first one.
You want to go for the first one? Alright then. I suppose you could dig them up, couldn't you? And put them in a pot and plant them again in the spring, couldn't you? Or do they not like that?
You'll be lucky if you get them to take again.
Really, yeah.
Yeah, we try it.
I quite like this one. He's very small and he's very fluffy. We can make it look amazing.
Okay.
Should we go with that one? Yeah, let's go with that one. There we go. Drag him. Or do you want to carry it? Yeah, you hold that. You going to carry it? Oh, okay. Look at that.
Your arms aching yet? No?
Gymnast, you see. Strong. Yeah. She challenged all the boys at school to an arm wrestle. And she beat them all. Yes, they're all scared of her now. Which I thought was hilarious. That's it, yeah, stick it in that way. Yeah. That's it. Give it a good shove in there, mate. That's it. Keep going.
Spiky.
Okay. There we go.
It is a little tree.
Yeah, it is a tiny little tree. I like it. Pop it in. There you go. It's ready for the next person. There we go. Lovely.
Right.
Yeah, thanks very much for your help.
No worries.
Nice one. And we'll see you next year.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Just remember, you'll have a nice long walk again next year.
Yeah, even longer next year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Down the bottom.
Right down the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah. What'd you say, Moo?
Thank you.
No worries.
Cool. Nice one. Merry Christmas, man. Thanks a lot. Yeah, mate. We've got a tree. I'm not entirely sure how We're going to get 40 metres of lights.
Round that. Yeah. Okay, so
See you at home. We're back.
you good? Okay, so we're back and we're gonna start decorating the Christmas tree. This is our decorations. You know how we got like the smallest Christmas tree? Last year my dad bought, he didn't read the box, right? He just got the box that he saw the first one. And he got the outdoor and indoor one, but he didn't know it was 40 metres.
40 metres.
So now we've got about 40 metres of Christmas lights around the smallest tree. And put tinsel on, and put decorations. So, let's do this.
You cut bits of the tree off.
Sorry! Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, well.
Calm down.
Alive.
It's alive.
Bob. Oh no, Missy, you know what this means, don't you? Pine needles.
Oh no!
The lounge again.
It's alive.
Okay, get this. Whoa.
Tree.
Tidy up the bottom.
Wow.
Yeah, they're sharp, aren't they?
Just my gloves.
Gloves.
Yeah, gloves. What are they called?
Gloves.
They're called gloves.
Sorry, Missy, how do you spell that?
Gloves. Gloves. Okay, tree. Father. Attention. Will it hold? Is it gonna? Tighten it. That's loosening, that's tightening. That's good. See, it's good.
Yay, there we go. Just right.
Just. Okay, we're finished with the tree. It's not as bright as last year, I don't think.
It's still pretty bright.
Because I think we put like both. Because we've got one in my room as
I've got
well.
another one.
So,
Let's have a look.
wow.
Yeah.
I'll put the star on.
Steady. Can you reach?
This is why we have a safe. I don't know. How do you put this thingy on?
There's a hole there in the bottom, so put the tree up in there. Oh. Steady.
This is going well.
Hold it. Alright. Careful. Yay, there we go.
It's a tree.
Beautiful. Right, only...
Ignore the Ninja Turtle Baymax additions to the tree.
Oh yeah, look, Macy made these when she was like, what, 4? Then we got Donnie, Leo, Raph, and where's Mikey? Mikey's down there.
My favourite. Mikey is my favourite. No
Well
one
done,
can tell
mate.
me otherwise.
It's a it is a real shame though that you're on the naughty list this year. Oh well. Just joking.
Bye guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like and subscribe, click the notification bell, comment down below what is your favourite like bauble on our tree. Merry Christmas and goodbye!